Morning guys! May avocado ako dito. So mag-aano ako ngayon. Yan. Kakainin ko. Para maging maganda. Okay? Thank you guys. Sana please support. Yes! It's nice. See? It's nice. It's nice. So, I do this. I do this like this. Thank you. Alam niyo guys, ang avocado pala ay yung yung kutis mo daw, yung parang nag-blooming. Tapos yun. Thank you. Ay! Ayan. Mahal ang avocado ngayon. No? Tali kayo. Sinong gustong Sino gusto kumain ng avocado? Share. Share. And then, yan. Lagyan ng konting milk. Wait lang. Ay! Milk. Yan. Then, charap. That's it. Thank you guys. Hindi ko kumain. Thank you guys for watching.